Have you guys ever seen those stupid kitchen gadgets that do only one thing and then they suck at that one thing? I know, right? That is why this episode of Culinary Chaos, we're gonna go over 10 kitchen gadgets that actually matter. No bullshit, no gimmicks, just awesome gadgets that can help improve your life in the kitchen today. To make things simple, if they can only do one thing, they're not worth getting. They suck. Don't do it. Hit them with the intro! What is up, guys? My name is Chef Chaz Thomas, aka Deathcore Chef, and today I'm going to give you guys 10 kitchen gadgets that actually matter in the kitchen. To be perfectly honest, I'm trying to keep this list on the cheap side so we can add things to our kitchen arsenal and do more. But if you want to check out any other products that I didn't mention that could also help you guys in the kitchen, or any of the books that I have, or anything else that we use in this show, feel free to check out our link in the description. We have a list that we made for you guys called Things I Use in the Kitchen. Click on it, it'll take you to an Amazon affiliate link. Check it out. Anything that I talk about on this episode will be on that list. Without any further ado, let's get started. The number one thing that we could use in this kitchen right now that will improve your life drastically is a knife and a cutting board. Hear me out, hear me out. Don't click away. I get it, putting knives and cutting boards on this list is kind of stupid, but I'm telling you guys, a good kitchen knife, not this one, but this one will change your life completely. This is your lightsaber, your Excalibur, your tools of destruction for meat, vegetables, everything that you do. And a good cutting board, unless you want to use your counters, will set you up for success every single time. And we have like so many knives to choose from. If you're low on funds, I completely understand. This $350 knife is not going to help you out. But maybe this $150 knife, which got me through culinary school, as long as you keep it sharp, well maintained, it'll last you a lifetime regardless of the price. Number 2, meat thermometers. I know. You guys are gonna sit here talking about how amazing you guys are in the kitchen already. You don't need a meat thermometer, and that you could just tell and that you already know what you're doing. No, you don't. What you're really doing is serving up raw chicken or overcooked sadness to your family, and it makes it look like you have less skills in the kitchen than what you really do. Invest in a meat thermometer, get the temperatures right, stop thinking you're Gordon Ramsay. Now that we got the basics out of the way, number 3 is a real game changer, and it's gonna change your life if you guys decide to invest in it. Plastic storage containers with lids. The storage containers alone are just game changers, but when they actually have lids that fit and aren't warped or destroyed, it's like seeing a girl that has a dress with pockets in them. They just love that shit. They help us prep all the food on this show in advance, and most importantly, professional chefs use these in real kitchens for drinks. Every chef in the comments will agree with me. They drink out of these. Okay, number 4 on this list, I'm going to be completely transparent with you guys. It was meat scissors, but I left mine in the kitchen, so I can't really show you those and get B-roll footage of them. They cut butcher twine, tape for labels, and cut through meat, pizza, Kiko's Dignity, whatever you guys want. And since I can't show you my meat scissors, I'm not going to go steal my son's safety scissors from kindergarten class because those are useless in a kitchen. We're going to just change it to a blowtorch. Now I know what you're thinking, it's just a blowtorch, it's a lighter, no big deal. 1, all the chefs smoke in the kitchen, so this is necessary. 2, use it for baking, making creme brulee, caramelizing the outsides of stuff, it's awesome. And 3, if you guys ever get into sous vide cooking, that is going to cause your mild reaction. Go buy you a blowtorch like this one, get you some butane refills, and this will be a game changer in every single kitchen you work at. We're coming up on number 5, and if you haven't noticed, everything on this list has been useful and has multiple uses. The next item on this list is our immersion blender. Now I know what you're thinking, this thing is too small to be a game changer in the kitchen. Does it really do a lot? Yes. 1, multiple attachments. It's lightweight, compact. It even has a miniature food processor, and the trigger on the handle allows me to control how much power I'm using to chop things up. Am I saying that the immersion blender will get rid of a regular blender, Vitamix, or whatever food processor that you have? No, absolutely not. But seriously, how often do you want to pull this bulky machine equipment out of your closet and set it up, clean it, and all this other stuff? I use an immersion blender usually in the kitchen, but sometimes you gotta use the real blender. Number 6, trays and wire racks. Whether it's letting your food cool, transferring it from a pan to a broiler, whatever you guys gotta do, the wire rack allows air to travel underneath it to keep your food crispy. These are super useful, super versatile. Let me ask you a question before you think this shouldn't be on the list. Have you ever made fried chicken, set it on the paper towel and the plate method, only to see that the bottom of the chicken is super soggy? This prevents that by allowing the grease to drip off and the air to travel through. Same thing with bacon, same thing with anything that you're prepping or that you want to mass produce. These things are super useful. If you decide to add these trays and wire racks to your home arsenal for the kitchen, not only will you have better quality food, you'll also get it out faster because you were able to prep it in advance or just throw it in the oven and let it cook the way it's supposed to. Number 7, bowls. Have you ever tried mixing something without a bowl? No, you haven't, because it'd be stupid. You need bowls. Mixing, prepping, tossing the salad, even eating cereal like a champion. I like big bowls. Kiko likes little bowls. Regardless of which size you prefer, they're all amazing. And the most important thing, they're metal. And we like metal! Number 8, jars, specifically these kind of jars. Whether you're pickling, fermenting, or prepping a sauce, these are super necessary, super versatile. I even encourage you guys to get a big jar, that way you can ferment stuff like peppers for hot sauce. Have you ever tried that? It's a game changer. And like this, you can drink from them. Super useful. Number 9, a vacuum sealer. Let me set the picture for you guys. You guys ever go to Walmart, spend like $30 on steaks, make one for dinner, set the other 2 inside the fridge overnight, and then they get super dried out, and then you can't really eat them anymore, so you lose 2 steaks? Yeah, me neither. This was stupid. Let's move on. Okay, I'm joking. Maybe it happened like one time, but seriously, on a serious note, guys, vacuum sealers can prevent that from happening. It cuts back your food waste. It lets you guys extend the shelf life of your products that you're not using. You can reseal them. Get you guys a vacuum sealer. They're super cheap, not that expensive, and you'll save money by not wasting any food anymore because you could just vacuum seal it and you can thank me later. And finally, number 10, the KitchenAid stand mixer. Don't click away. I know. They're kind of expensive, I get it. But when we talk about game changers for 250 bucks, maybe even cheaper depending on where you live and what holiday deals they got going on. And this can do a lot of things. Whipping, mixing dough, shredding chicken. Yes, this shreds meat. And once you buy one, it comes with so many other attachments that you can use to upgrade this that if there's something it doesn't do in the kitchen, I'm surprised. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if you actually buy one of these bad boys and upgrade your kitchen, the baked goods that are gonna be flowing through your house are gonna make you off that. I'm sorry. Now I know what you're saying. There's that one person who's all like, Chaz, I can mix cookie dough with my hands. Yeah, I'm not saying you can't. But why? Let the robot do it for you and feel a sense of superiority until the robot overlords take over. To all you smart appliances in my house, I am watching you. And there you guys have it, 10 kitchen gadgets that actually matter. And that's it from us here at Culinary Chaos. I'm Chef Chaz Thomas, that's Kiko. That was the list. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for all the notifications. Link in the description will also tell you all of our socials that you can follow us so you can keep up with everything that we're doing in this kitchen. Tag me in the photos that you guys, if you make anything or whatever, just let me know. Love you guys, I'm gonna miss you. See you on the next one. Later.